Okay, this is how you make a duct tape bookmark. It's pretty simple. Only need a duct tape and a knife. Get 4 strips that are 4 inches long, and yeah, get 1, don't get 2, and lay them on top of each other. So they look like this. Then get another one and lay it about halfway. Well, lay it down how big you want the bookmark to be. So yeah. Get your other strip. And lay it end to end so it's not sticky. So it looks like. And you can trim off these sides too. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna do white stripes. You can put any design you want to on it, but so just do any design you want to. Okay, so yeah.